Let's play clay play. One of my favorite toy. It will help to make a new shape. This is easily available in Indian DMart store. How to start with orange? No. Now I open it. Yay! Oof! Idea. Done. Now I will make it fish, butterfly, my favorite banana. I am 3 years old and this is my favorite game. Oof. I am Dhiyu. First I will make a chapati shape. It's a brown color. It's a pink butterfly. Wow! Next I will make a duck. Wow! Yes, surprise! It's very soft. It's a purple color. Making a balloon. Sparrow, banana. Next one is a banana. No, I will go with a star. Purple star. Really, it's very funny star. I like it. Next, what to make? I will make a strawberry, blue strawberry. Wow, my favorite. I have made a colorful clay toy. Wow, superb clay. It's a green clay. Little bit sticky. Now I will make a banana. My favorite banana. Yeah, red banana. Let's decorate it all. First brown, purple again, green. Kids, now I will make a fish. Uh-oh. Ooh, my lovely fish. Now I will make a sleeping line. It's very funny. Yeah. Now, sleeping line. Kids, subscribe to my channel, Dhiyu.